ARRI Stage London in Uxbridge has been rebuilt with VSS, and the headline is the wall. The new in-camera screen is 36 meters wide and 6.5 meters tall. Jesus, that's insane. Okay, the panels are modular, so you can set it up two ways. A 24-meter curved wall that wraps 180 degrees around the camera, or 36-meter J-shaped, which is a long straight wall with a curve on one end. At 6.5 meters tall, it's one of the tallest fixed volumes in the UK. Height matters more than people think. A lot of the UK volumes cap at around 5 meters, which means you're always cheating low angles or framing tight to keep the top of the wall out of the shot. With another 1.5 meters, you can lift the lens up and still keep the horizon. The ceiling has been upgraded to the 1.5mm pixel pitch. That means reflection of a car bonnet, a glossy prop, or a wet floor look photographic instead of low-res sky map, if you know what I mean. The rest of the stack is who's who. ROE LED on the walls, Brompton processing, Nuke Stage for playback, Sony for camera tracking, which is marker free, so you're not sticking dots to your ceiling anymore. The story isn't a clever new toy, it's a reference build. If you're costing out of stage, this is your shopping list.